We have to every
No,
time write the
yeah,
path,
we
no?
have to go to that particular folder, that path only, Python where it is executable is there, no, Python ka Python 3732,
Yes.
that folder you should go and do. But if you have saved your files in some other drive, if you have saved your files in desktop, it will not execute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, if you add to environment variables from anywhere, you can execute. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So now we will download this one. Okay, just yes, my download is over. So now I'm connecting to my SQL connector. See, now I'm executing it. Okay, Python 8.0 alarm. Okay, fine. SQL connector Python. Now you all can see, what and all I'm doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Anshit, you please guide other boys also. Shreya, you guide all other girls, ma'am. See, without this, compulsory, this will be tested in your practical examination, and then project also you will be doing based on this only. So today you help them to complete these two.
Ma'am,
Yes,
at the
ma'am.
end of the 12th, will we get certificate like for completing CS?
As part of that is class 12th curriculum only, no children.
So,
So
like, no, like, will they give some acknowledgement certificate or something like that for Python? Like we have done coursework.
in your project only you will be submitting one copy. In that certificate is there, no? So there we will be signing. No, you will have one copy right with you. That you can keep it with you.
Okay.
Okay. Still taking time. Otherwise, I'll try to install. Mm, do one thing. SQL. Python. Mm, 64 bit to 32 bit. So 32 bit वाला execute करके देखते हैं. Successful. Another installation. MySQL connector, C++, .NET, ODBC, JDBC, installer server, workbench is there. Okay, this Python is not there, so I have to add, right? Okay, so right. So, Yeah, so already it is installed, I think. Now we will go and see the command prompt. Now go to, now you see MySQL connector Python is there. C++ Python again. So now you can see no connector Python का भी add हो गया. ठीक है? So now what we can do is pip install. What is the next step? Tell me, children. Pip install MySQL
Connector.
connector. Now successfully we could install, you see, because once that software is installed in your computer, now running successfully. Okay, now what should we do? We have to come to idle and check import mysql.connector. Okay, now no error. Again समझ में, now no error, no, that means successful. So now next step क्या है? What is the next step? So now MySQL DB, MySQL client वाला भी install कर देना, ठीक है? So now already pip upgrade is
Ma'am,
done.
why
So,
should we install MySQL client?
because we are using command line client, no dear. Suppose if you want to directly connect to database from here, okay, MySQL DB. At MySQL DB.
Ma'am, it's like the second option. Is it necessary to install that?
Like you know, it's not compulsory. So if first one is working, we can go ahead with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we can go ahead with that. So now let us establish a connection to our MySQL from our coding. Okay, so let's do a new program. Here let me execute import MySQL connector. MyDB is equal to okay, MySQL connector को हम nickname डाल सकते हैं. So as MC. So MySQL connector. तब इतना बड़ा लिखने का जरूरत नहीं ना. So MC dot connect लिखेंगे, ठीक है? So now print MyDB. Now let me execute Python interface to MySQL now. So Python SQL1 is the file name I'm giving. Okay, ma. So now EOL while scanning string literal end of yeah. So these are because I have copied from there. So there is inverted commas to problem. Okay. Now root also. So now you can see now everything is fine. Now execute. Let's execute. Yeah. So now you see there is what is that? Connect localhost root. So now just go to MySQL command line here. Command line client. Yeah, here root is correct. Okay, now. So here this also should work, ma'am. If it is working fine here, then only we can go there. Okay. So here I'll increase the font size. Okay, now you can see no MySQL is connected. So here, what is the database we have given here in this command? Localhost root database equal to school. School database तो हमने बनाया नहीं. So create database school. Okay. So over. Query okay, no. Now let us execute this program. Now what is the program error here? MySQL programming unknown character set colon wait. So line 2 means you put connect localhost root and then school. Okay, correct. What is the error? Yeah. So what you do now here? Okay, let me give this entire thing. Let's see, बाद में डाल देंगे. Main DB. So here database is there. Show databases. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, school is there, MySQL is there, test is there. Okay. So now we have to establish a connection from here to there. Import MySQL DB. If we are using MySQL DB, but we are successful in MySQL connector, na? So import MySQL connector only, then MySQL connector dot connect only, right? So host to root. Okay, so let us execute create database वाला हटाएंगे, ठीक है? हाँ, create के बाद इधर क्या लिखना है? अब use लिखना है ना, use tool लिखेंगे, ठीक है? Now let us execute once again and check whether this is working or not. Still it is giving some problem. Yeah, let me change it to this coding, okay? Localhost user is this, the password is this. Now my cursor we have create database if not exists too. So then show databases your cursor. Okay, now let's indent block. Okay, for look के बाद okay fine. So now any other invalid syntax. Errors. What is that error? MyDB equal to MySQL connector dot connect host equal to localhost user equal to root password equal to root. Okay, fine. Return MySQL connection auto MySQL automation. Import MySQL. Okay, let me. No error. Okay. So then MyDB is equal to this much. MyDB database only is not able to connect. So here let me do one second. Host equal to localhost, user equal to root, and then password equal to. So now let me unknown character set UTF-8 MD4 unknown character set. Host equal to localhost. Okay. Then user equal to ROT. Then password this is WD equal to ROT root. Okay. Now let's execute. No, non-character set. My account character set host is localhost correct only. Small letters, capital letters, कुछ problem है क्या? No. So right. So now come back. Let us come back to MySQL. MySQL command line client. MySQL. Maybe. What is that error? MySQL DB constants. Yeah, MySQL complete output. Yeah. CLA command reported out with excess status one. 32, 38, 32.exe. Okay, so let us do one more thing here. This is Python 37. Okay, so now let me do the same thing. Okay, so now let's go to idle. इसका कर रहे हैं और MySQL dot connector है ना. Yeah, this is successful. So now let me open a new file. Let us execute. Is there any error or not? Let me check. Yes, ma'am. So now successful, no? Actually, what happened? So as in my computer to show different installations, I have installed 3.7 as well as 3.8. So while installing this MySQL connector, it installed for 3.8, not for 3.7. Okay. So this is connected. Now you can see whatever it is there in the database, whatever the show databases, all the databases are seen here. Yes or no? You are there, children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you all can see. So now successfully we could connect. Okay. Okay, ma'am. So you are successful. Now let us create one table there quickly. Here in this school database only. Now create table. Suppose some E table I am creating with only one. Okay. ID as integer. Okay, that itself is the primary key. So that only one constraint, semicolon. Okay, query working. So now let us cursor dot execute. Okay, show database is over. Now what should I do? My cursor dot execute. One select star लिखेंगे, ठीक है? Select star from which table? E. Okay. Got it? Select star from E. So this is a query. Now what should I do? My cursor dot execute. Sorry. So already that result has come. No. So for some y in my cursor, then print y. So all the rows will be displayed. If we have any rows, what is that? No database selected. Okay. So here, no database selected. Here I will write use school. Okay. So then my cursor dot execute. Okay, this is fine. So now now you can see only the databases have come, but in this select start from E में तो कुछ है ही नहीं, इसलिए कुछ नहीं आया. Now insert one row. Okay, insert into E values 1 0 1. Okay, suppose 1 0 1. Right. So now insert into E values 102. Okay, ma'am. Are you all watching? Yes. So now insert into E values 103. So now 3 rows I have inserted. Now let me execute coding once again to retrieve all those things. See, this is yeah. Now you can see. So here 101, 102, 103. आ गया आपका result आ गया. See, use code. Now here we can write that. So content of the table. Content is whatever the contents that we are displaying. Okay, our rows of the table are. So you can see, children. Yes or no? From here, that table E ka. From this is all the databases. So now successfully executed everything and shown you. Now you have to execute like this and practice. आ गए समझ में, right? So like that, any SQL command, whatever you learned in 11th standard, all those SQL commands you have to practice. See update वाला command, कुछ भी, ठीक है? So now एक update वाला भी दिखा के close करूँ, right? Or will wind up here. समझ में आ गया है सबको? Yes or no? Respond, respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so because morning there was a technical problem, I could not connect. Then I ran to rush to school and again I tried here. So somehow Microsoft Teams could connect. Now you all understood Python program से MySQL का database का data हम ले रहे हैं, ठीक है? वैसे जो भी डेटाबेस का एंट्रीज होता है, सी यहाँ से हम पाइथन प्रोग्राम से हमने रिट्रीव कर दिया, इवन इंसर्ट भी कर सकते हैं, सी ठीक है? हियर ओनली, सो व्हाट एवर कंटेंट्स ऑफ द सेलेक्ट स्टार करने से पहले एक इंसर्ट इनटू ई values. Okay, so what is the values you want to give? 105. Okay, ठीक है? So next वाला ये खत्म कर दे, एक क्वेरी खत्म हो गया. नेक्स्ट एग्जीक्यूट कर दो mysql डॉट mycursor डॉट execute ओके, सेलेक्ट स्टार वाला हो गया बेटा. सो नाउ यू कैन सी 105 भी इंक्लूड हो जाएगा. Can see previously 102, this is from the database. Now we will open in the database and we'll see. So select star from E. Okay, whatever query, 3 rows in the set. Now why 3 rows only? After inserting, that is some changes when we have done, what should we do? We have to commit it. So here where have we written? So here we should write no commit. cursor dot commit. Okay, so cursor का spelling देखो. So now it's object no commit. Okay, fine. So my db अब इसको commit करेंगे, ठीक है? Now it is okay. 105 भी आ गया. Now let us go back to MySQL and check the same query. Now 105 आ गया. Yes, समझ में आ गया. So from that is a different software. This is a different software. So we connected both the softwares. One as a back end and another as a front end. Okay, so that is the main advantage with the MySQL connectivity. This way, how I have shown you know, that way you should be able to execute and show to your external examiner as well. Okay, so आप लोगों को installation में comfort होना चाहिए, ठीक है? एक बार सक्सेसफुली इंस्टॉल हो गया तो ऐसे MySQL में कमांड्स जो भी डाल रहे हैं वो कमांड्स प्रोग्राम के थ्रू, सी हियर ऑल द SQL कमांड्स, वो प्रोग्राम के थ्रू करके एग्जीक्यूट करके दिखाना. आ गई समझ में? आई थिंक या एवरीथिंग इज फिनिश्ड. या
मैम आपने बोला कि वो प्रैक्टिकल के समय इंस्टॉलेशन भी देखेंगे क्या?
इंस्टॉलेशन मतलब आप लोग घर में कर रहे तो इंस्टॉलेशन आपको करना पड़ रहा है.
नहीं मतलब अगर प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम में उसमें भी पूछेंगे इंस्टॉलेशन, मतलब
आप अभी इंस्टॉलेशन करके रखेंगे ना. सी वी डू नॉट नो इफ यू आर आस्क्ड टू कम टू स्कूल देन इंस्टॉलेशन रेडी करके रखेंगे हम.
हाँ तो मैम वो तो रेडी रहेगा और उसमें पाथ पहले से डाल के रखेंगे वो लोग कि हम लोगों को बोलेंगे?
ना डेटाबेस सब कुछ आपको बनाना पड़ेगा. सी इन द क्वेश्चन पेपर इट विल बी आस्क्ड लाइक क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस ASSC प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन करके. सो उसी डेटाबेस में आपको टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? जस्ट लाइक दैट आई हैव क्रिएटेड वन टेबल एंड शोन यू नो, एक ही पैरामीटर के साथ, एक ही कॉलम के साथ.
यस मैम मैं वो समझ गया. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ जैसे कि प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम होगा तो इंस्टॉल तो पहले से रहेगा, मतलब ये ऐप पहले से इंस्टॉल रहेगा, लेकिन पाथ सेट करने बोलेंगे क्या? लाइक जो प्रैक्टिकल करवाने के लिए आएंगे, मतलब एग्जाम जब ले रहे होंगे तो.
See, because now this corona time we cannot predict anything, no. So at home you set up all these things, path set करके, path पूरा set किया तो now it is working right. That way finally path कैसे set किया वो सब पूछने वो लोग नहीं पूछेंगे, लेकिन what is the command to install, like that they can ask in Viva, no. So but your program should work, no. Your program when it will work, when everything is proper, like your class path is set, your softwares are working, then only this will work, isn't it?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Anshit. You please guide others also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you all understood, no? Shreya, कुछ some doubt है? इंचरा, कृष्णकांत, सबको दिख रहा था ना बेटा? अरिंदम, अद्रिजा?
No doubt, ma'am.
श्रेया, एक बार करने से, एक बार आपको एक बार में अगर एरर आ गया तो ये काम कर देना, ठीक है? पूरा अनइंस्टॉल कर देना। तो वो शुरू से इंस्टॉल करना, मतलब पाइथन आइडल का भी अनइंस्टॉल करके पाइथन आइडल का इंस्टॉल कर लो, MySQL का इंस्टॉलेशन करो, MySQL कनेक्टर का 3 सॉफ्टवेयर्स का फिर से अनइंस्टॉल करके इंस्टॉल कर देना।
वो सब सक्सेसफुली हो गया। प्रॉब्लम ये हो रही कि मैम जैसे आइडल खोलती हूँ, आई डू इम्पोर्ट mysql.connector, कोई एरर नहीं आता, बट देन न्यू फाइल खोलकर जब मैं वो लिखती हूँ तब एरर आ जाता है कभी कभार। सो मैं फिर से खोलती हूँ, फिर करती हूँ, फिर हो जाता है, कभी कभार होता है मैम।
No, that's what it should work forever. That is the reason एक बार पाइथन को अनइंस्टॉल करके फिर से पाइथन को इंस्टॉल कर दिया तो so when you are doing that installation, no ma, so add path to environment variables, that should be ticked. First time itself you will take care of it. Then automatically that one will come. First time installation time down it will come. That add path.
मैम वो डिस्क्राइब टेबल का कमांड वर्क कर रहा है, बट देन इफ आई एम ट्राइंग टू लाइक डिस्प्ले ऑल द रोज, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग, लाइक इट्स नॉट शोइंग एनी एरर, इट्स जस्ट ब्लैंक
मतलब आपने इंसर्ट नहीं किया होगा ना बेटा? जैसे मैंने
एक रो इंसर्ट किया है,
लेकिन इंसर्ट नहीं। ओके, इंसर्ट कहाँ से किया? MySQL से किया कि पाइथन से किया है?
MySQL से।
MySQL से किया है, तब तो रिफ्लेक्ट करना है।
बट कोई एरर नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन मैं जब डिस्क्राइब टेबल करती हूँ देन इट्स सक्सेसफुली शोइंग ऑल द थिंग्स।
Oh, right. So will you show me? So like I'll make you present Shreya, na?
मैम
Just
सेम प्रॉब्लम मैम दूसरे लैपटॉप में, एंड दैट MS Teams नहीं चलता।
Fine. So then how can I help you? If you can share your screen somehow, if you allow me to do on your screen, at least by using any desk, okay, any one of you are facing problem, today, like tomorrow evening, remedial class timings are there, no, 3:30 to 4:30. That time you join, okay? So that time when you join, you share your desktop to me. Okay, then I can do on your desktop using any desk. Are you following, children? Yeah. Yes. So now we will wind up here because 12:30 I had class 11th C class I have. So I'll wind up here. Okay, practice, and if you have any problem, you can come back to me. Okay, ma'am. Okay, then. Yeah.
मैम अगर एरर आ रहा है जैसे कि आप बोल रहे हो अनइंस्टॉल करने से, तो उस माई कंप्यूटर में भी तो जाके एनवायरनमेंट वेरिएबल में पाथ दोबारा से सेट कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, सेट कर सकते हैं। पहले पाइथन का अनइंस्टॉल कर दो बेटा, पाइथन से ही आपको प्रॉब्लम आएगा, ठीक है? पाइथन का अनइंस्टॉल करके फिर इंस्टॉल करो। इंस्टॉल करने के टाइम नेक्स्ट जल्दबाज में नहीं दबाना, ठीक है? You should not just click next, ऐसा नहीं करना। You have to go through what is there on that screen. On that screen, somewhere you will find add path to environment variables. That should be checked. So if it is checked, then only go next. Then you will not face problem. Pip installation, everything will be successful.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, बेटा. Okay. So सबको समझ में आ गया? ठीक है?
Yes.
So you help one another. Today who are on absent day? Praveen, Aditya Singh. Okay. Aditya. Okay. Asim, Ayush. हेमंत, सबको समझाना, ठीक है? So okay, ma'am. Take care. I'll be ending here. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.